Hey everyone, if you're trying to print your Trello board, maybe for a meeting, planning session, or you just want a physical copy, here's the easiest way you can do it. So simply open the board you want to print and then look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. So when you open that menu, scroll down a bit until you see Print and Export. So Trello literally keeps it tucked under there. And once you click it, Trello will then give you a print-friendly version of your entire board. All your lists, cards, and layouts laid out in a clean format. And from there, your browser's print window will then pop up. And you can then choose your printer, PDF, margins, or whatever settings you like. And if you want a digital copy instead, you can also use the same Save as PDF option in the print window. So it's super handy if you need to send the board to someone else who doesn't use Trello. And that's it. So Trello handles the formatting for you, so it's basically one click and you're ready to print. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you in the next one.